Can an S-Corp own another business entity? In the world of business law, a hot topic right now is whether an S-corporation can own another business entity. This question is particularly relevant for small business owners looking to expand. Understanding the rules around ownership can help you make informed decisions. An S-corporation, or S-Corp, is a special tax designation that allows profits to pass through directly to shareholders. This means the corporation itself does not pay federal income tax. However, there are specific guidelines that must be followed. An S-Corp can own a limited liability company or a subsidiary corporation. But there are important rules to consider. For example, if the subsidiary is a corporation, it generally must qualify as a qualified subchapter S subsidiary. This means the S-Corp must own it entirely. When a subsidiary qualifies, it allows the S-Corp to report its income and losses on its own tax return. This simplifies tax reporting and can be beneficial for the overall financial health of the business. If the S-Corp owns a limited liability company, it can be treated as a disregarded entity if it is a single-member limited liability company. This means the income and expenses will flow through to the S-Corp's tax return, making tax management easier. However, if the limited liability company has multiple members or is owned by other entities, the tax treatment may differ. It is crucial to understand these distinctions to avoid complications. There are also restrictions on who can be shareholders of an S-Corp. The number of shareholders is limited to 100, and they must be individuals who are U.S. citizens or residents, certain trusts, and estates. Because of these rules, the ownership structure of any business entity must comply with these shareholder restrictions. If the owned entity engages in prohibited activities, it could jeopardize the S-Corp status. Additionally, the business activities of the owned entity should not create complex ownership structures that conflict with S-Corp regulations. In summary, an S-Corp can own another business entity, such as a limited liability company or a subsidiary corporation, as long as it follows the guidelines set by the Internal Revenue Service. This allows for business growth while maintaining tax advantages, but careful planning is always recommended.